Okay, so what I can do is take my template and place it here. Now what I was saying is that I think I want it to even be a little bit bigger. So what I'm going to do is take the ruler and just make it a little bit bigger by just having the ruler, instead of cutting it here, I'll just extend the ruler out a little bit and cut this line out here. So what I want to do is just cut through a couple of times. So what I'm doing is I'm scoring the chocolate, then lift it up and just snap the chocolate off. Okay. So then if I want to extend this side out a little bit, do the same thing, just move this out. Or you can, you know, also go back and make obviously a larger pattern on the computer. But sometimes you do that, like I don't have my computer right next to me, so I mean sometimes these things happen, you have to know how to get around it. Okay, so let me turn around, do the other side. And it's good if your chocolate is actually at room temperature when you're doing this part. If it's too cold, you might actually crack it. Okay, so we just made it a little bit, see how we made it just a little bit bigger than the pattern. Now I can just kind of go back and clean it up just a little bit. Okay, so it'll stand up just about like that in the back. Okay, so let me just set that aside for a second. Okay, the other thing that I actually wanted to make the barn doors open a little bit. So this isn't going to be enough chocolate. I'm going to have to wait for that to set up a little bit. Let me just trim this so you can get the idea. So I want the barn doors to be kind of open a little bit like this. And that's also going to help this stand up. So for the barn doors, we need to make the pattern for that. So we'll just use the same one, only make it a little bit bigger by cutting in here. Okay, that looks like a pretty good size for barn doors. Okay, let me get this out of the way, cleaned up, and we can actually start working on part of this while we're waiting for our chocolate to set up. So I need to get my black fondant out. We'll be right back.